Hey Josh, I just wanted to show you how you could probably use NewSeptic a little bit better. I saw you entered a property 269 County Road 40. What I would do is open up a new tab. I'm using Google Chrome, so I would recommend using Google Chrome for NewSeptic. But what I do is I open up a new tab and I paste in the address 269 County Road 40 and just enter, and Google will find that. Usually, normally it can find that property. So what I do is I just highlight this, and I right click and copy, and I come back to NewSeptic and I just click in the quick start form and then right click and paste it. So what I have here is a formatted address. I just want to add commas in between the road, the city, and the street, or the state, and the zip. So I just added a comma in there, and I just click search. And what NewSeptic did was found that parcel because I'm passing this address to Google. It's passing back a latitude, longitude, and I'm searching in our NewSeptic database for that parcel. If we have parcel data, generally we'll probably find it. So what I did is I can just click yes on this, and then it's adding that. It's querying for the township, and it's popping in that parcel ID. So what you can do, I like to trim down the address field, so I'll take out that, and I'll just click enter soil conditions. And I know you said this was a 1-bedroom home, so I'll just put 1 bedroom, and then get options for treatment. So this adds it to your projects list. You can always get back to your projects list by clicking on NewSeptic. So here I have all the projects I'm working on right now. And if I just type in 269, it'll filter the list in the search box here, and you can click on the design, and you can agree to the terms and conditions. You can go to the soil properties here and enter in more soil data. Like you can enter in, edit the soil test number 1, because it just kind of automatically adds a soil test. You can enter in profiles too from there. So I'll show you the mapping application, the design feature. So click on design, agree. And if you click on, so it has all the options for you for treatment. You can click on the NewSeptic mapping application. And here's where you can see it found that parcel. And every time we find a parcel, it's going to make that in red. And it's going to create a 10-foot and a 50-foot buffer. If you're doing a mound, you can uncheck the 50-foot parcel buffer. You can move the soil test around, and it'll ask you to update the GPS. If you click update GPS, that'll just update the GPS in the database. But if you click update GPS in parcel, it'll actually find the parcel where you clicked on. So say you drag this over to this parcel, and it would delete this parcel and then go fetch this one and draw buffers for this one. So that's how that works, and it's a quick way you can do that. Quick way to use the mound tool. Click on this trench tool here, and you just draw by clicking, and then if you're done, you just double click. And up here you can use the mound button, this little M here. You can also, we have a mapping feature measurement, and we have your actually field measurement. Say you wanted to just say like, oh, I just want that to be 140. You can save that. By clicking the M, you can add a mound system here. You can add, declare the amount of sand you want. Say if you wanted 12 inches. And we didn't find a soil limiting condition for this, so that's why it's just coming in blank here. But if you enter in the full soil details, this will pop up with the limiting conditions and stuff. So you generate mound, so that drew the mound on top of your trench. And you can use the replacement tool button here. I just clicked on the RE. It's to generate a replacement system. So you can click on this, highlight it, and then move it. You can spin these. So this is just kind of an easy way to get you started. There's a house tool here. You can draw a house. And you would put a label on it. 1 bedroom dwelling. So you can edit these vertices of the house. So yeah, this is just a quick way. You can add tanks too, but if you click this print button here, you can get the automatic scale is 1 inch equals 50. So you can edit the labels, like you can select the feature you want to edit to make it look a little better. It automatically selects like a blue color with a white outline, which I think looks kind of nice. So you could say like, well, let's align this left, and then we'll put it at a 45-degree angle. So here it's kind of a little bit out of the way, and I would actually angle it down a little bit. So you could select that again, and you could put it at like maybe like a 180. Oh, I accidentally selected the house. Actually, I wanted to select the mound. So do that. So you can mess around with it, but basically if you click this print PDF, it automatically generates the title for you on the page up top, and it is a good way to label. So it's automatically to scale, and you can check that by, if you have like Adobe Reader, you can click on this measure tool, and since it's if you click measure, like click on the parcel line, and then click on this buffer, like I'm showing 0.21. No, at a scale of 50, like 50 times 0.2 roughly is 10 feet. So that's showing the 10-foot buffer. So it's a scale drawing, and definitely something you could turn in to the health department just pretty easily to sketch this out. So definitely want you to use this. Just keep on using it, and I'll hook up with you one day and show you more.